The most basic element of caring for pointy sideburns is trimming the hair so that it is of an even length. Using scissors and a comb to maintain an even length requires basic grooming skills. The hair should be combed away from the face before trimming. Men should insert the comb into the sideburn so that the excess hair is on the outside of the comb. The excess hair can then be cut evenly down to the comb using scissors. Electric trimmers can make the process of trimming pointy sideburns easier. The hair should be combed outwards prior to trimming. Men should choose an attachment that leaves the desired length of hair and attach it to the electric trimmer. The trimmer can then be used on the sideburns in a downwards motion to create an even length. Both sideburns should be trimmed to the same length. The length of pointy sideburns should be equal in terms of how far down on the face they reach. Many men make the mistake of determining the length of sideburns based on the distance from the end of them to the ear. Most people's ears are not symmetrical, so using this method can result in uneven sideburns. Men should ensure that the pointed tips of their sideburns finish at the same position on their face even if one is technically longer than the other. Maintaining the point on pointy sideburns is an important part of caring for them. An electric trimmer without a plastic attachment can be used to precisely sculpt the sideburns. Manufacturers have developed special tools for creating precise lines, and these should be used where possible. The thickness and overall shape of the points on the sideburns should be symmetrical. Any stray hairs falling outside the pointed ends should be shaved regularly so they don't distort the shape.